Everyone deserves to feel safe and respected. No one should experience the trauma of sexual violence. In India, laws exist to protect individuals from such horrific acts. These laws are crucial for ensuring justice and holding perpetrators accountable. They reflect our society's commitment to upholding the dignity and safety of all its members. This guide aims to simplify some of these vital laws. Understanding these laws is the first step towards creating a safer society. When we know our rights, we are better equipped to protect ourselves and others. We can also advocate for justice and support survivors of sexual violence. This guide will delve into key sections of the Indian Penal Code concerning rape and sexual crimes. This guide will explain the meaning of each law in simple terms. It will also outline the penalties for those who violate these laws. By the end, readers will have a clearer understanding of how India legally addresses the grave issue of sexual violence. Section 375 of the IPC defines rape. This section clearly states what acts constitute this heinous crime. Understanding this definition is essential for everyone. It helps us identify and report instances of sexual assault. The law recognizes that rape is a violation of a person's bodily integrity and autonomy. It emphasizes that consent is paramount in any sexual act. The absence of consent forms the very basis of this offense. This section has undergone amendments over the years. These changes reflect evolving societal understanding and the need for comprehensive protection. Section 376 of the IPC lays down the punishment for the crime of rape. The severity of the punishment underscores the gravity with which the law views this offense. The section includes various clauses dealing with different situations. For instance, the punishment for gang rape is more severe than for rape committed by an individual. Similarly, rape committed by a person in a position of authority carries a higher penalty. The law recognizes that rape has a devastating impact on the victim. The punishment aims to deter potential offenders and provide justice to survivors. It serves as a reminder that such acts will not be tolerated in society. Section 4. Beyond rape, other forms of sexual assault. The IPC doesn't just address rape, it also recognizes other forms of sexual assault as serious crimes. Sections 354, 354A, 354B, 354C, and 354D cover a range of offenses. These include outraging the modesty of a woman, sexual harassment, assault or use of criminal force on a woman with intent to disrobe, voyeurism, and stalking. These sections acknowledge that sexual assault can take many forms. Each of these acts violates a person's dignity and sense of safety. They can have long-lasting psychological and emotional consequences for the victim. The law seeks to protect individuals from all such forms of sexual abuse. Section 5. Seeking justice, empowering survivors. The journey to justice for survivors of sexual assault can be long and arduous. The legal process can often be daunting and intimidating. However, it is essential to remember that there are resources available to help survivors navigate this path. Several organizations and helplines provide legal aid, counseling, and support to victims. Reporting the crime is crucial for initiating the legal process. Survivors have the right to legal representation and to be heard in court. They also have the right to privacy and protection from further harm. The legal system strives to be sensitive to the needs of survivors while ensuring justice is served. Section 6. The road ahead. Strengthening legal protections. While India has made significant strides in addressing sexual violence through its laws, the journey is far from over. Continuous efforts are needed to strengthen legal protections and ensure effective implementation. This includes raising awareness about these laws and promoting gender sensitization. It also involves addressing issues like underreporting, victim blaming, and the need for speedy trials. Creating a safer society requires a multi-pronged approach. Along with robust laws, we need societal change that promotes respect, equality, and consent. By working together, we can create a future free from the scourge of sexual violence.